Hi, so this is part 2 of assignment 4. The first step is to load packages and read files. Here are some helper functions. So this is the k-nearest neighbor recommender. We need a new user, the item that we're trying to predict, the training data, and the number of neighbors. So to calculate the similarity between the new user and all users in the training data, we need to first find all overlap items. If the overlap items less than 2, we will skip this user. Otherwise, we proceed further to calculate the Pearson correlation and store the correlation with the index into a dictionary. The next step is to find top k neighbors from all similarity we got. This is done by the dictionary sorting. And this step also filter out 0 and negative correlations. After we have all neighbors, we need to double check if the neighbor did not rate the item we try to predict, delete that neighbor. If after this step, if we don't have any neighbor left, then it will return the average rating of that item from all users. And then the last step is to calculate the weighted average of ratings, multiply the similarity with the rating of that neighbor, and return the value at the end. So the first question is to predict existing ratings for 5 new users and calculate MAE. This is done by predict rated function. It requires a user list, a number of k, and whether to print output or not. So for each user, you will find all rated items, make predictions on them, and use the true value and prediction to calculate MAE. Let's run this. So here's the result for 5 new users, and the MAE is 1.005. Next question is to find best k. So in a range from 1 to 20, I make predictions for different k, and then record all MAE that I got from the prediction. Here is the plot for all the values I got. So from the plot, we can see that when k is 1, it has the lowest MAE. So basically k equals 1 is my best k. So for next question, I use the best k, which is 1, to make predictions for all unread items for new user 1, new user 2. Let's run this, and here's the result. The last question is to create top 3 recommendation for user 1, user 2, user 5, user 13, and user 20. So for each user, it will find all unrated items, make predictions, sort all predictions, and find top k largest values or top k largest ratings, and then print out the output. And here is the result. That's all for my part 2. Thank you.